Alright guys, so this is like behind the scenes of the behind the scenes. This is end screen, this is bonus extras, like one of my videos which you guys like the extras. Right, so you're not shooting for Calvin Klein, it's just I like the outfit and this is the only way I can get her to shoot skin. It's difficult. Wait, that's out of the way, but yeah, still using the Canon 5D Mark IV, the 50mm STM 1.8. If I had the Sigma, I'll be glad because all the previous images were shot with a Sigma. Yeah, same lighting setup, the 120 together with the aperture 120D, Godox 120p or together with the aperture 120D. I can control the temperature and all that, but I like the warm feel and the light coming in from the window, which is diffused by my diffuser, and this is blocking the green tints behind this. I mentioned it when I started this video. Alright, so now I've added some props in there with this plant which doesn't like light. Alright, so let's not stand. I want you to go down. Here, kindly hold it. Yes. And oh, if you're seeing, this is the makeup artist behind. This is the how am I hitting his thighs? This is a nice makeup artist. A very nice makeup artist. Alright, yeah, just the same style. Then we'll kill it. Let me see. Okay. Hey, Aula, I'm waiting for you. Oh, you can move, video guy. You can move. Oh, and I have behind the video my tall assistant. I wish I'll show him in the video, but maybe yes. I think yes, he's in my shooting on the rooftop video. The tall guy in the video. If you saw the B-rolls. But anyways, we're just freestyling over here. You know what? I am in this new space and it's very noisy outside because I'm closer to the road. Like Charlie, it's bad. Like you can hear it now, right? Yep. Hey, madam. Okay. Point of view, move around with me. Don't worry. Everybody knows that. Let me see my sound recording. Yes, my sound is recording. Alright. Let's just do this. I asked her to add some oil to get her body shining enough. I'll do some beauty with it and I'll also do the 50 stuff. Alright, her body is nice. Okay. No, don't go back. Take a step forward. I don't think I can get the plant in there unless you go down. Yes. Get closer to the plant. I'll move the light closer to you. So I want to do side lighting is what I learned from a food video or food YouTube stuff. Let me bring the light down because she's down. Let me bring it down for you. Okay. Yep, go down. Beautiful. Then you would have to turn your face towards the light. No. Let the body be the same. Yes. Basically. What, are you sweating? Okay. I wish I had a wide lens because I'm so struggling with the 50. Okay, let's make it an action shot. Let this leg lie down. It's ow crap. Let your right leg go back. Yeah. Your left leg forward. So no, I want you to sit on it this way. Crap. No, it's slippery. and there are pins in my outfit. But I can sit this way. You can't be confused. Alright. Julia, I'm recording. Okay. This is lovely. Towards your face, towards the light, please. I like that. I like how you are looking at the light. You know, I can just go up and just shoot it this way, but I like that. This is beautiful. Add that sauce to your face and yeah, great. Open the lips too. That's beautiful. Chin up. I have very interesting and amazing shots. Yeah, which you are getting 5 years later. Alright, so I want to use the plant as a foreground. So I'll move it forward this way. Oh crap. Alright. Move to my left. Yeah, not closer to the plant, but like a bit further away. Alright, and move to my left. Beautiful. Now let's see how the plants can play a role. Okay, towards the light, face towards the light. I'll be glad if we stop shooting with the white outfit. Yes, we have a lot for the set. As you what? Yeah, sit down that way. No, so now look up, more like, yeah, that's gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see, because I'm moving in different directions. That's lovely. Oh, you know what you're about. That's nice. Into the light, please. No. Yes. Chin down. So now light to your side. Let me see. Yeah, light this side instead. So like the light can hit your face. So more like, you see the gym when you are doing side pushes. Yes. Hey, stop doing that. Stop doing that. That's not part of your business. I'm giving you a scenario. Don't be silly. Alright. Let's have that. Look towards the light. Just straight. Let the head straight. Yeah. Chin up. Tiptoe your left leg, please. Tiptoe. Like, let it get closer. Tiptoe. Hey. Fix your right leg so that when you tiptoe your left leg, you get closer to your. Yes. So let it go towards that direction and bring it back. Yes. But don't let me see the street. Yeah. Okay. Let me have that. Chin up. Don't forget the lips. I want a soft looking face. Beautiful. Keep it. Yeah, look at me that way. Ouch. Look this way. Chin up. Look here. Chin up. Too much. Chin up. Kindly your left hand. I don't know what you have to do to it. Push against the head like, yeah. Look here. I want to add the plant to the sheet. Well, let's see what I can do with this. Let's look into the light. Great. Let me change the lens to the 100. Then I'll grab some beauty from that. Right. Yeah. So just a quick beauty. That's beautiful. Keep that. Chin down. If you want to look at me, turn the whole face and look at me. Alright, I have this, but let me put this with you. That's enough. Let it hit you directly. Now let's do that again. Chin down. Chin up a little bit. I'm not utilizing the plant. Oh, sorry. You could use the plant also as a foreground. Chin up. To get very interesting shots. You see? Alright, let's do it again. Your face looks dark. Yeah, great. Bring your face towards this direction. Chin down. Beauty from above, right? I can have chin up, yeah. Open the lips, don't forget to open the lips. That's lovely. Look into the light. Like turn the face, yeah. Straighten the head to your right, to your left. Straighten the head to your left. As in tilt the head. Yeah. Alright. I want the hands relaxed. Your left hand relaxed. Close your eyes. Like you know. Alright, let's do no. Chin down. Let me see this last thing towards the light. Your eyeballs, yeah, lovely. Your lips. Chin down. Whew, it's hot. Alright guys, that's the end of the extras. You can watch whatever I have to watch. All I have to say is, I don't think I used these, but all I have to say is, just make use of your environment. That's the only extra information I have for you guys. And be creative whenever you're shooting. And I'm sweating because it's hot. Let some air pass through my room. And I'll see you guys. Peace. Cut up.